Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. It's AB here. It's 6 AM in the morning and we are starting a ride. It's a breakfast ride actually after many days. It's V Dam and the weather is super. It's on a bit colder side. So finally everybody came. So that's Shubpreet. In front of me is Shayan, his kaka, Arnav, Utsav and Nilesh. So 6 bikes today. Just before Kathra tunnel, and every time I go from here I shoot this particular place. I just love this tunnel. So we'll halt for a breakfast because we haven't ate anything from the morning, so we'll have a quick breakfast. So had a nice breakfast and we are now heading to our destination, that is V Dam, and hopefully we'll be reaching by another 1 hour. We don't know the road condition. The highway is up to for around 18-20 kilometers more. And after that we need to take a left and look at the beauty, the magnificent sunrise with the superb roads. It really takes you to some other level. Early morning rides and early morning vibes. And that's beautiful lake over here. I don't know camera is doing the justice or not, but it's really awesome. Wow, look at the scenic beauty. How beautiful is this? It's awesome, bus. It's really awesome. Look at the roads and look at the trees beside the roads. And I didn't go out this place. I've been living in Pune for the last 3 years. We didn't find this place mentioned anywhere in the tourist destinations around Pune. It should be. This should be like one of the best tourist destinations around Pune. So now we found out a new place. We'll be going there. Chalo. Chalo. So let's go and check out the place. How's the place is. Nice bro. किधर गए वो लोग? Let's go there and click some photos. Now I think I should have brought my camera. This is V Dam and look at the place. So that's the main V Dam location and we came from there. We did off-roading of around 2 kilometers and we finally came over here. It's a nice place and everybody is like loving this place. And it's like around 70 kilometers from Pune. There, this has been suggested by our own festival. So, yo, 3 cheers for him. Festival.
My name is Utsav.
Oh my god, he's so lovely, man. My name is Udisa. So it's a nice place. Do visit if you are from Pune or Maharashtra.
Bring some cakes with you.
Okay, by the way, he is.
And do not litter.
Do not litter, please. Yeah, if you are eating something, so keep that in your pockets
Or in your utsav.
Thank you. Or being someone like Ustabda to keep all the stuff. And yeah, well, he's Shubhrit Goswami. His roads and Arnav.
Hi.
He came like after around
Very long
20-30 years. He is riding with us. Very much, we are like very much.
Close buddies.
No.
Overwhelmed by his
Oh,
presence.
yeah,
man.
actually.
He has come after 150 years after, fighting the battle of Plassey.
Plassey was in 1757, I guess.
Anyways.
300 years.
Anyways, right?
So nothing,
basically, he has time traveled. This friend of ours.
He's a great Marvel fan, so he know how to do time machines and all, multi-universe and all the things, all the stuffs.
So it's a great honor to have him.
It's a great honor to have him over here. So now we'll be going back to the original point. So now we are going to the last destination of today's ride. The Samount need to go on left, take a left. So we could spot out some birds. So we are going over there, that side, maybe seagull or something like that. And there's some boats also. We could take some good photos of the boats. This really reminds me of Dhoom Dam. Why? Hello guys, so this is the original Veer Dam. Okay, the location that Google says is a Veer Dam, and we could spot some birds, but now the birds are not there. They just flew away by our machine sound, by our bike's engine sounds. And look at the place. I'll show you. And my bike, can I zoom? And it's looking gorgeous. Arey bhai.
Bye.
That particular point was full of birds. सब इससे ने बिगाड़ा सबको. Seriously.
What the hell, man?
पूरा हिसाब का माँ बहन कर दिया. पूरा हिसाब का माँ बहन कर दिया.
और विधायक भी है.
विधायक भी है. ऊपर से नाम फेस्टिवल तो मतलब पूरा टाइम उसको कचरा ही चाहिए. आके चिल्ला के साले बस को भगा दिया और एक वो बचा था. उसको बना कर रहता है, हाथ हिला रहा है, उसको गाली दे रहा है, उसको पता भी नहीं चल रहा है एक्चुअली. देखो उसको बना कर रहे थे, उधर जाने के उधर ही गया. चलो
अरे मेरे को बोलने दे.
हाँ बोल क्या.
अगर तुमको बर्ड जुड़ गए उसके लिए गाली देना है तो ये जो चश्मे में वाला खड़ा है यही है वो.
ये So we are done with our photo shoot and all. It's around 10:30. Our place is around 80 kilometers from here. Hopefully we'll be reaching by 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 1.5 hour max. I hope you enjoyed the video. And that was a short and exciting ride. Actually, I tried to make it a bit interesting, some new things. Hopefully you liked it. Do share your thoughts. Do comment down your thoughts, the areas of improvement, so that I can improve, and yeah, so that you can, you can get more interested on my videos. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Do like, encourage me, share it with your friends if you find this informative, and yeah, that's all. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and the next ride will be a bigger one, a big ride, and till then, ciao.
Look what Shuprit Goswami is doing.